welcome to the Sandy Uke. Today we are going to talk about scales, movable scales, with the root being on the third string for your ukulele. So many of you have reached out and asked what kind of exercises you can do to warm up before you start practicing your ukulele, so this is a good one. So starting out, we're going to do the open C major scale, starting on the third string right here. And again, just to review, first string is lowest to the ground, second, third, and then fourth is the highest pitch in pitch. All right, so starting on the open third string, this is a C major scale, no sharps or flats if you're talking about the key signature. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And that is going open, second fret on the third string, open, first fret, third fret. Now the first string, open, second fret, third fret, and then you play it backwards. Now when you're practicing it, you can use your thumb and play the scale on your right hand, and that's fine. You can use your fingers if you want to play it in alternating first and second fingers. So that would be first finger, second, first, second, first, second, first, second, and then play it back down. Or you can use a pick and play alternating picking. So on the pick, you want to hold it with your thumb and then bend your first finger in like that so that you don't flip it into the middle of your instrument. If you're holding it like this, you'll be more likely to flip it into the middle of your instrument. So kind of tuck it in and pinch it like so. And then we'll play it with alternating picking. So watch my right hand. I'm going to play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then I'll play it backwards. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, alternating picking is going to give you the fastest scale. Unless, of course, you practice really fast and you can use your fingers as fast. But I think the pick makes it faster. So this is, again, C major scale. You can play it as fast as you want. Now, in terms of making it movable, C is the third string on your instrument. It's tuned to the note C. Once you fret that instrument on the first fret, you're changing the pitch to a C sharp. This is a C sharp note. So now we're going to take that same scale and make it movable. So it's going to go 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Again, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4 on the second string, and then 1, 3, 4. And then we're going to be moving it all the way up the neck, changing the key with every fret. So starting with the C sharp major scale, we're going to go C sharp, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Again, that's 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. And then play it backwards with no open strings. All right, now if we move it up one fret, that's a half a step. That puts us on D major scale. So same pattern, same progression. Moving up one fret to the D major scale. So we're gonna start right here. We're gonna be in the second fret. So this is called second position because we're starting in the second fret. So we're gonna go, I'm telling you the fingerings will be 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. We're in the second fret though, so second position. So when we were in the first fret, we were in first position. So we moved up, we're in second position. And we're on the third string. All right, so D major scale, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, backwards. And again. All right, we're gonna go up another half step to make it D sharp. So we're the third fret, third position. Some ukuleles don't stay as in tune as a guitar does because we don't have that truss rod on some of these to keep that neck exactly straight. So that's just kind of the property of a ukulele. If you spend more money on your instrument, then you would not have that much of a problem. But anyway, as it gets a little bit higher, you will hear it go a little bit out of tune. So here's our D sharp major scale again on the third fret, third position. And then move it up one, so you're going to be an E. Between E and F, there's only a half a step, so there is no such thing as E sharp. You're going to go right from E up to the 5th fret, and that will be F. So you'll hear only a half of a step, but it's an F. You're starting to hear it go a little bit out of tune there. And then F sharp is up a half step. And then from there we go to G. G sharp. And we'll be on A. This will be the last one we'll be able to do. So A. So for those of you who are needing an exercise to work on before you play your instrument, this is a great one because you're practicing again with a major scale and you're just going to go all the way up the fretboard and then all the way back down. So C, and you can do it where you play C up and then go ahead and move up half a step and then play it backwards. That's C sharp, D, and then up a half step, D sharp. Excuse me. And just keep playing all the way up and then all the way back down and practicing your either alternate picking with your pick, or again, you can use your fingers. Or if you feel more comfortable using your thumb, use your thumb. A lot of ukulele players use a different style of picking and strumming. Some of them use a type of an island style. So use whatever you feel comfortable with. And anyway, this is a great warm-up for you, and I will be posting more videos for you lately. I apologize, I haven't posted many for quite a while. I've been deathly ill for the past year, but I think that I can go ahead and start posting more videos now. So anyway, I hope you all are doing well, and I'll talk to you soon.